What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you what you can do if you experience problems with your Google Assistant. Alright, so first let's go ahead and go to Google. And from here, what you can do is click on your account icon on the top right corner. And from this one, go to settings. Now, once you're in settings, go to Google Assistant. And from here, click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Alright, now from here, we need to reset your Google Assistant. So from this one, click on Delete Voice Match Model. And it is going to give you a prompt. Now, if you are sure that you want to delete your voice from the Google Assistant, you can go ahead and click on Remove and click on OK. Right, so after that, go ahead and turn on Hey Google. And here you can actually retrain your device with your voice. So go ahead and click on More and click on I agree. Now, you need to activate your voice match again, so just click on More and click on I agree. Click on Next. And that should be good. Now, if you need to retrain your voice match model, you can go ahead and click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Alright, so after that, you are all set. So we can go ahead and try it. Let's say, Hey Google, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes. Starting now.
Alright, so there we have it, guys. This is how you can reset your Google Assistant. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.